If your door is wider than 21 feet, you will need to splice your head jamb and sill components. Do this before proceeding. With the frame components laid out on a flat, clean surface, align the end of one jamb with the head jamb and slide the corner key into the head jamb. Slightly loosen the exterior screws holding the corner key to the jamb. Use the screws found in the purple bag to fasten the head jamb to the corner key. Tighten the screws you loosened earlier. Inject the head jamb corner keys until you see squeeze out from the inspection hole. Repeat the process on the other jamb. Slide the lower jamb corner keys into the sill. Fasten the jamb to the sill using the screws found in the bag marked with a green dot. Fasten the interlock to the head jamb with the screw found in the bag marked with a yellow dot. Remove the paper backing from the interlock gasket and apply it to the sill end of the interlock. Fasten the interlock to the sill with a screw found in the bag marked with a yellow dot.